Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between cash basis and accrual basis of accounting. Cash basis accounting records revenue and expenses when cash related to those transactions is actually received or dispensed. The cash basis method is generally used by sole proprietors and smaller businesses. Accrual accounting records revenue and expenses when transactions occur, but before money is received or dispensed. Accrual accounting provides a more accurate view of a company's health by including accounts payable and accounts receivable. The accrual method is the more commonly used method by large companies, especially by publicly traded companies, as it smooths out earnings over time. So, let's look into the basic differences between cash basis and accrual basis of accounting in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The cash basis of accounting recognizes income and expenses only when cash is received or paid, whereas the accrual basis recognizes them when they are earned or incurred. Number 2. Cash basis accounting is simple in nature, whereas accrual basis accounting is more complex. Number 3. The cash basis of accounting follows a single entry system that records only inflows and outflows of cash, whereas the accrual basis follows a double entry system that records both debit and credit for each transaction. Number 4. Under the cash basis of accounting, the income statement generally shows lower income, whereas under the accrual basis, it shows higher income levels. Number 5. The cash basis of accounting is less accurate, whereas the accrual basis of accounting provides more accurate financial information. Number 6. Financial statements prepared under the cash basis of accounting cannot be audited, whereas financial statements under the accrual basis can be audited. Number 7. The cash basis of accounting is suitable for micro and small businesses, whereas the accrual basis is preferred by large corporations. Number 8. In cash basis accounting, expenses are recognized only when cash is paid, whereas in accrual basis accounting, expenses are recognized when they are incurred, even if payment is pending. Number 9. The cash basis of accounting recognizes revenue only when cash is received, whereas the accrual basis recognizes revenue when it is earned, regardless of payment status. And finally, difference number 10. Under the cash basis of accounting, taxable income is determined based on cash transactions, whereas under the accrual basis, taxable income includes all earned revenue, even if payment has not yet been received. So, these are the differences between cash basis and accrual basis of accounting. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.